Best PS5 games. The hottest PlayStation 5 games set to PRAGMATA, a new IP from Capcom. Reasons to buy, another mysterious reveal. It has a spaceman in it. One of the final games to be revealed at PS5's big game and console design announcement in June, PRAGMATA is a brand new IP from Capcom. Unusual decision considering the developer's focus on remaking its current franchises, but one that promises a new world full of new ideas. We don't know much about it, but we do know you'll play a spaceman in a souped-up suit. It has a real Hideo Kojima vibe about it, so we're hoping to learn more about it in the months to come. Astros Playroom, a seemingly non-VR adventure for Astro. Reasons to buy, family-friendly puzzle solving and platforming. Built to showcase DualSense controller. It's hard to know where Sony stands on its commitment to VR as a delivery platform, but for Astro, the cute robo-mascot previously seen in VR Playroom for PSVR, the future is all about showcasing the haptic feedback and sensory-driven features of PS5's new controller, the DualSense. We don't expect this to be much more than a tech demo, but it looks like a fun way to see what Sony's new peripheral can do. Little Devil Inside, an action RPG with a visual twist. Reasons to buy, a kickstarted project. Dark Souls vibe. Little Devil Inside is one of many games revealed alongside PS5's console design that is big on the mystery and small on the details. The visuals have a real Tim Burton vibe, with a young man on a grand adventure and an old man living a more menial life. As to how this plays into the actual game is anyone's guess, but it looks to have something of the Dark Souls about it, so we're hoping to learn more in the months to come. Kena, Bridge of Spirits, a new IP with animated film chops. Reasons to buy, 3D platforming action. An intriguing new world to explore. Kena, Bridge of Spirits comes from a new studio with previous experience in cinematic animation, and you can really tell, with a visual style that's bursting with personality. There's been very little revealed, but we can assume it's going to involve a mixture of 3D platforming, melee combat and exploration. You also seem to be able to command a group of Cutesy creatures, so we imagine that will likely play into puzzle solving as well. JETT, The Far Shore, a sensory interstellar adventure. Reasons to buy, from the makes of Sword and Sorcery. Immersive soundtrack. One of the more unusual entries in Sony's big PS5 reveal event, JETT, The Far Shore looks to be a curio that combines the grand interstellar exploration of hard science fiction with the charm and personality of Super Brothers. We don't know much about this new IP, but it promises to be a cinematic and sensory adventure that sees you leaving one planet behind to explore another. Ghostwire Tokyo, a creative first-person adventure from Shinji Mikami. Reasons to buy, use unique powers. Battle nightmarish spirits. One of Shinji Mikami and Tango Dreamworks' latest projects isn't a full-on horror experience, rather one that takes the creative nightmares of Japanese folklore and combines it with the first-person powers of Dishonored. A paranormal event has replaced Tokyo's residents with these apparitions, so it's up to you to soup up and take back the city from its new supernatural inhabitants. Hitman III, the third and final entry in the World of Assassination trilogy. Reasons to buy, larger sandbox maps. More creative ways of kill. IO Interactive has been hard at work on Hitman III, the third entry in its reinvention of the series. We don't know too much yet, but the trailer suggests we're getting more of the same with more creative level designs and increasingly over-the-top ways to take out your assigned targets. We're promised a more involved story this time, but we hope the studio adds in something new to differentiate it from Hitman and Hitman 2. Returnal, Life After Resogun. Reasons to buy, a third-person shooter where the world is constantly changing. Learn new powers as you are revived. Housemarque's Resogun proved to be one of the highlights of PS4's meager launch offerings, and the studio is looking to make a similar mark with its new game, Returnal. Unlike Resogun, Returnal is a third-person shooter where the alien world you're forced to explore changes every time you die. As you progress, you'll meet new creatures and learn new powers, with every day making you stronger but affecting your humanity in kind. Color us intrigued. BUGSNAX, Cutesy insects made of food. Reasons to buy, from the makes of Octodad. Viva Pinata meets Cloudy with a chance of meatballs. BUGSNAX was one of the more unusual reveals along with the PS5 console design, offering up a cute, family-friendly world where insects have been transformed into types of food. We're not sure how exactly this game is going to work, but it looks like eating these delicious critters makes you turn into said snacks. It's basically Viva Pinata's natural world meets Cloudy with a chance of meatballs food creations. Goodbye Volcano High Romance X Dinosaurs. Reasons to buy, 2D animated movie visual style. Branching storylines.
You ever feel like you're just waiting
with so
for
many
a sign
games seemingly dying to show you how they're utilizing ray tracing to make their games look extra pretty, it was nice to see some games have the confidence to do their own thing. Goodbye Volcano High was one such exception, offering up a narrative-driven adventure all about the loves and lives of a group of teenage dinosaurs on the brink of their world coming to an end. It's got a real night in the woods vibe, and we're really digging it.
Maybe it's the fear that